Now, immediate past president and a member of the medical committee for the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, Dr. Warren Blake, says it was important for him to be among the first set of persons to receive the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine today. Renata Brown reports.
The former J3's boss, who himself had contracted COVID-19, says after losing close friends to the virus, it was important for him to show his support for vaccination by being among the first set of persons to receive the first dose on Wednesday. He also hopes athletes will see that there is no need to fear the jab.
No, I think it's important, and the more people see people they know getting the vaccine and see that there are no side effects, that people will be more comfortable in taking the vaccine.
And Blake is hoping athletes will soon be among those to be vaccinated in the coming months.
I'm saying that I'm hopeful that after the people at risk, the healthcare workers, the frontline workers, and the elderly have been done, then we start to turn to the more sensitive groups in our society. And I'm hoping that just like tourism workers, that athletes will be considered among those people who should get the vaccine as a priority. And I'm going to be pushing for that to happen.
In the meantime, Blake, who indicated that he would speak with sprinter Johan Blake over his stance not to be vaccinated, says he's yet to have a word with a 2011 100-meter world champion.
I've not been able to speak to Johan as well, because the first thing I would have to do is to understand why he's apprehensive about the vaccine and why he has come to the conclusion that he should not take it. I think it has to do a lot with the bad propaganda against it, because I'm certain Johan has taken vaccines in the past. Because if he hadn't taken vaccines, he would not have been able to go to high schools in Jamaica, because we all had to get our DPT shots as youngsters. And when you enroll in high school, you have to present your vaccination card.
As it stands, organizers of the Olympic and Paralympic Games say vaccination will not be made mandatory in order for athletes to participate. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.